Hey guys, this week I'm gonna make one I've been wanting to do for a while. It's a Dark Knight Batman. So I had three options to choose from. There's a reason been waiting a while to do this. The first one was Batfleck, and I would have had to add sharp edges. The next one I got fairly recently, but I would have had to sand to get sharp edges. This one is the Metal Tech Batman, and he already has sharp edges. So he's perfect, and I'm glad I waited because he just needs paint. And that's what I'm doing now. I have, it's a black surface primer mixed with some regular black acrylic. And the primer is a little thin because it's made for air guns. So the black acrylic helps thicken it up a bit. And it's an acrylic primer, so it blends well together, or works well together. It works together, no issues. This I drew the Bat logo on, it's just sketch paper, and I had wanted to trace it onto a piece of foam to test that, but then I got carried away and I just glued it on. So now that's the Bat logo. And giving some touch-ups, a second layer of the black. I just added more black acrylic to that mix I already had. And painting the logo, it doesn't really stick out as much as I'd like, but in the Dark Knight, the logo doesn't stick out an awful lot. It's even a little smaller. And I've been wanting to do them for a while. About a year ago, I made a Heath Ledger Joker character, and he's been waiting to have a Batman friend for a while. But now for the belt, I went with the Sahara Gold. It's a little more old gold look, less bright. So I tried that out. But I ended up wanting a lighter, brighter gold. Now I'm just doing some touch-ups with the black. But now that dries. Every time the screen flashes black is when I had to take some time away to dry. But this is a pure gold I'm using because I want it to pop out more. And it's already looking a little brighter. It's hard to tell, maybe, depending what you're watching on. But yeah, it's brighter. I guarantee it. Now his face, it's almost as white as his eyes, so we need to add a little bit of color. I started with just a little brown shoe polish, just to add a bit of complexion. But you can't really see it here, and it didn't do that much. But now I move on to the fun part, dry brushing. This is going to bring out all the details and make everything look metal. It's just some regular silver acrylic, and put a little bit on the brush and just wipe it around everywhere. And it looks a little chaotic, and it is. And I was going a little crazy, but now I slowed down because I remembered I'm on camera and other people need to see this, or might see this, or will see this, but that's a better angle of just a little bit on the brush and then going everywhere. And I went a lot on the logo to try and help it pop out more, the edges, but still in photographs now you can see from the down angle his logo in the corner there. I didn't notice that before, but cutting out the cape he came with was really bad, so I ripped that off right away. This is like 2 times that size of that cape. I just took the old cape and traced it out and then made a bigger cape, and then when I cut it out, these are just an old pair of pants that I sacrificed a while ago, and glued that in, tried to tuck it under as much as I could. And since that first coat didn't do much, I went with a darker wash on his face to bring it out more, and I thought I was done, but then I thought he doesn't really look like it. So I fill in the little lines on his face, or on his mask, because that's off, and I added a little to the bottom of the chin. And also I thought he needs something on his belt to make him different, because he's got some accessories in the movie and stuff. I don't know, smoke pellets and grapple gun. That's just cut up a toothpick into 2 pieces, 2 smoke pellets, but I lost one, and then that was just a little piece of plastic that I thought could look like a grappling gun, and I painted those gold and glued them onto his belt. Now he's got that little bat-shaped black spot. I tried to do that a little. I guess I could have made it bigger, but that's what it looks like. So thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace. Merch still available. Link at the bottom of the description. Thank you. Later.